Hello and welcome to Aspen Cooking, my friends. My name is Yuri and today we're going to cook another delicious piece of meat. This is New York. It's prime. This one steak goes for $25.10 at a local butcher. Let's have a look at it. All right. I bought this baby yesterday. It's been chilling in my fridge. Here is what we have. So fresh. Let's get cooking. To make it super special, we have our coffee rub. Yes, you guys heard it right. It's a coffee rub. And after we let it marinate a little bit with our coffee rub, we're sending it to a sous vide machine right here at 129 degrees Fahrenheit for roughly 50 minutes to an hour. Depends, well, I guess this baby is like almost 2 inches thick, so I'm thinking an hour would be an appropriate medium rare to rare temperature. I'm going to dab my meat with a paper towel to get rid of extra moisture. Adding our dry rub. Alright, it's coffee rub. 2 teaspoons of coffee, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, just regular salt, any salt really will work. And then I have a little bit of onion powder in here, about half a teaspoon or so. Into a vacuum bag we go. There's our steak. Now the only thing left is to seal it. Our steak is sealed, 129 degrees, into a water bath it goes. Time to pull it out. Oh yeah. Hot. Here we go. Perfect. Let's put it on the back. Let's get it out of the bag. Now it is time to sear it. Look how delicious that is. Perfect. It's time to give it a try, guys. Yes. This coffee enriches the flavor. It's amazing. I love it. Delicious, tender. Sous vide. Steak is cooked perfectly. Strongly recommend. Guys, again, if you like what you see, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video for you.